The combustion process is basically taking a large, heavier molecule and using oxygen to break it down into smaller, lighter molecules. And so, propane, for example, is a chain of hydrogen and carbon. When we break that down with oxygen, a few of the molecules you may find are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and even water, along with a release of energy in the form of heat and light. And now, chemistry isn't my specialty. I believe a 5-to-1 ratio of oxygen to propane would give you the best mix. It should result into 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and 4 molecules of water. And now lastly, with the ventilation, even though the carbon dioxide isn't poisonous, enough of it can start to displace the oxygen in the room, making it difficult to breathe. And then the carbon monoxide, which is poisonous, would most likely result from an incomplete combustion, along with black soot, which is carbon residue, leftover carbon. It's good to be versatile with your tools and techniques, but the torch can be pretty versatile as well. It can also burn natural gas and hydrogen, which I think is one of the more interesting examples of combustion. The hydrogen and oxygen, with a little extra spark of energy, will begin to form water. Not only that, you could theoretically recollect that water, give it even more energy with electrolysis, and break it back apart into hydrogen and oxygen. And so you would essentially create your own fuel. You would always need to keep adding in extra energy in order to separate the water, but then only a little bit of energy to kickstart the combustion process, which releases energy itself, maintaining the combustion until all of the water is recreated. So in a way, the water is kind of like a vessel for energy. And now this water vessel is looking complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss what's coming up here on the Matt Jasa channel.